Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Dream Car, your go-to destination for all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a review of the coolest cars out there. Now today we've got something special for you. A detailed review of the 2025 Morris Minor. It's a modern take on a classic that combines nostalgia with some updated features. So let's dive right in. Right from the start, the 2025 Morris Minor grabs your attention. The moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted by that iconic, instantly recognizable shape that has defined this model for decades. But what's really exciting is how the design has evolved. The classic round headlights are still there, but they've been modernized with LED technology, giving them a sharper, more contemporary look. The body of the car stays true to its roots, with smooth curves and that retro charm that's hard to ignore. The 2025 version is made with high-strength steel, which makes it both durable and lighter. And the choice of colors, classic, vibrant, and nostalgic shades, really adds to the car's timeless appeal. You'll notice subtle chrome accents around the grille and the rear bumper, all of which are just enough to keep it looking fresh while maintaining its classic elegance. Now, let's step inside. The 2025 Morris Minor has definitely seen some updates, but it keeps that vintage feel that's so beloved. As you open the door, you're welcomed by a spacious cabin that's got a nice balance of retro and modern features. The dashboard design is a nod to the original, with its circular dials and simple controls, but it's been modernized with a digital display that seamlessly blends in. The seats are a standout feature here. Upholstered in a soft, high-quality fabric, they're both comfortable and stylish. You get that classic bench seat at the front, but with a modern twist, it's adjustable and comes with some really handy features like heated cushions, which you didn't see in the original Morris Minors. The materials used inside are premium, giving the cabin a luxurious feel without losing the car's charm. The tech inside the car is also impressive. You get a touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to navigate and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system has been upgraded as well, offering a fantastic audio experience whether you're cruising through the city or driving on a long road trip. Plus, the climate control is intuitive and keeps things comfortable no matter the weather. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Morris Minor has been revamped to offer an excellent driving experience. Under the hood, you've got an electric powertrain. Yes, you heard that right. No more petrol engines here. This makes the Minor an eco-friendly choice, and the electric motor provides a smooth, quiet, and efficient ride. It's surprisingly powerful for a car of this size, offering more than enough torque to zip through city streets with ease. Acceleration is quick, and it's got a top speed that's perfect for modern-day driving. The handling is nimble, just like you'd expect from a car this compact, and it feels light on its feet, making it easy to maneuver around tight corners and narrow streets. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and keeping the ride smooth even on rough roads. And don't worry about range. The 2025 Morris Minor comes with a battery that offers a solid range, making it perfect for daily commutes and even weekend getaways without constantly worrying about charging. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Morris Minor doesn't come cheap, but it's certainly not out of reach either. The base model starts at around $30,000, which is pretty reasonable when you consider the level of technology, the updated interior, and that electric powertrain. If you're looking for more premium features, like leather seats or additional tech options, you can expect to pay closer to $35,000. It's an investment for sure, but for the mix of vintage charm and modern features, it's definitely worth considering. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 Morris Minor. A perfect blend of the past and the present. If you're a fan of classic cars but also want something that's eco-friendly and packed with modern tech, this is a car you'll want to check out. What do you think of the 2025 Morris Minor? Would you add it to your dream car list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Dream Car. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and keep dreaming.